If you are encountering the error setting traits on provider in Windows 11, the first step you can take is to run a system file checker scan. To do this, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This will initiate a scan to check for and repair corrupted system files. While a DISM scan is often performed after an SFC scan, in this specific scenario, it might not be strictly necessary if the SFC scan resolves the issue. However, if you wish to proceed, you can check for Windows updates. To do this, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, then go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. The third solution involves running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and select Windows Memory Diagnostic from the results. You will be prompted to restart your computer to check for memory problems. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.